Hello Precom, I hope you're all doing good, and tonight I'm going to do a quick unboxing about the fragrances that I have bought yesterday. So yeah, this is the packaging. Even the packaging, it is matching the Valentine's Day. And right now I'm going to tell you about the fragrances that I have bought and why. Actually, it was a nice deal, so yeah, let's begin. So, dear fragheads, I just opened the packaging, as I told you before. Yeah, the bag was very thick, so I used this very big knife, like they use them to kill cows or something for hunting, but this did its job. And what I have bought is that I bought Ultra Male by Jean-Paul Gaultier, and it came wrapped in this cellophane. And I love the smell of Jean-Paul Gaultier. This is a tester of 2020, as I saw the batch code, made in France, and yet I will have to check the performance on this one, but it's a great fragrance. Secondly, I also bought a tester of this one, and this is a flanker of La Nuit de l'Homme, and this is Blue Electric or Blue Electrique. A very good fragrance, and it has so many similarities to La Nuit de l'Homme, the original one. It is very close to that fragrance, but this one is a bit fresher at the top notes. But it's great. It's excellent, actually. I'm very happy that I bought this one, but also the Ultra Male. What else I bought is that Instant Crush of Mancera, 120 milliliters here. And yes, I bought two of them actually, of the same. And maybe I'll keep one and I sell one, depending on how I find it convenient for me. So yeah, this was my mini Valentine fragrance haul. I hope you enjoyed it, and see you with other videos, reviews, and maybe other unboxings like this one. So yeah, have a nice day, and thanks for watching. Bye bye.